Shut up and sit down.
Hello everybody, this is Ravi Seth. Here we are with another awesome episode. All these people standing to my left are standing behind a rickshaw line. They don't know that. The moment the signal comes green, truck starts moving and everybody will start honking without using their brains. Just waiting for what? You should have some common sense. There is a sign. This is a rickshaw line. Well, my bike is completely serviced now. It's time to fill up the tank. This is Apna Bazaar petrol pump. The service of this petrol pump is fantastic. I'll tell you the reason why it's so fantastic. The staff is very friendly. For this moment, I'm going to keep the volume down. I'm only going to do the voiceover because there is something important I want to tell you guys about this petrol pump.
Shut up and sit down.
Every time I come here to fill up the tank, on my bullet or on my scooty, I happen to meet the owner of the petrol pump. Let me introduce you to everyone. This guy is the sweetest guy. The reason he is so successful is because he gets involved in daily activity where I have never seen any other petrol pump owners getting involved in day-to-day activity. They just sit in their offices and they leave. Or probably they don't even come. But this guy is always on their toes, doing his thing, making sure everybody is doing their job really well. All the customers are happy. That's what makes this petrol pump so special. But I had to cut the volume low because there was nothing that you can listen to, me and his conversation. What I'm saying is more important than that. Nope. You can't see that? Nope. That's what you get. There is no way you can hack into my system. Got my tank full. Now it's time to get the air full. These are some important things needs to be taken care of. These are maintenance stuff.
Shut up and sit down.
Another day of the week. Look at these girls. There's a sidewalk to the left, but they will walk in the middle of the road. What is wrong with everybody? Now move. Another one. Another two people. As if they're walking in hanging garden. You can't blame the car. I'm just making my way. Again, another two. There's an open sidewalk to the left, but nope, they are gonna walk in the middle of the road. Pedestrians need to be educated with the shit they keep doing. Rules and regulations are not just only for the cars and bikes and rickshaws, it's also for the people who are walking on the road. They have to be responsible too. Wow man, you're doing a good job with riding a cycle. Good job. He has apologized to me twice for coming in front of the way. Well, according to the traffic rule, pedestrian has a first right to cross the road. I agree, they have. But they also have to be responsible. And why is this traffic jam right now? You know, because of this metro work and plus the side parking which is not needed, which has to be removed. There's one guy sitting in his white car talking over the phone. I have to tell him. Now, चले आगे बढ़. ट्रैफिक जाम हो रहा है.
Shut up and sit down.
What an idiot. Now this road, Andheri Metro Walk, is going to take another 5 years to develop. That's what I have heard. And it's only going to get worse in rains. Because left side of the area always gets packed with water. Another day, a little bit drizzle happened. Things are good so far. Because it's a new rainy season just starting, the roads are really slippery. Why is it jammed now? This area is never jammed. If I'm not wrong, there must be a under construction shit happening. Just for no reason. Is it? Yes. The man in charge is sitting in the chair. That's so perfect. Sir, you're looking awesome. I don't blame you. It's just that your job sucks. Look at it. Metro work to the left and a small construction to the right. Four-way lane, apologies, has become one way.
Romantic, isn't it?
Now with the signal, it's time to go. Slightly ahead to the next signal. I got to skip the boring part. So here I am. It's a beautiful day now. Feeling good. Little rain happened. A good sunshine. This rickshawala, I hate it. Yes, I'm watching you. Yes, haters gonna hate. Some weird look people give. Educate yourself, man. Come on, go on YouTube, subscribe my channel. What are you waiting for? See yourself there. I'll make you famous. That was a lovely green color. The new one has come out. Mine is forest green. That was a green color bullet. In rains, this area is going to be like, oh, very, very, very careful. And we have a dancer in the middle of the road. You are about to get introduced to the unknown pedestrian trying to cross the wrong side of the way where there is no other way to go. And meet the Michael Jackson. He's about to do an awesome step and about to make me fall. But because of my driving skills, I saved myself and him. दादा गलत जगह खड़े हो क्यों? This is what I'm saying. Pedestrians also have to be responsible now. I see the green bullet ahead of me. It's a beautiful color. Mine is forest green. That is like, wow, what a green. I would love to have a chat over a coffee, but I gotta take left. Gotta reach at work, man. I respect all those bikers who ride safely, nicely, and follows the rules and regulations. Not the ones who do chaprigiri. Some of my movements will go faster. Well, this is another moment I'm leaving my gym. and I see all the cars are parked outside. From where do I get out now? Okay, I see this driver, I have to honk him out. Come on. Move, man, I have a way to go. It's probably the camera effect that he backed his car. Otherwise he would have argued. And then I would have given him some beating. This cycle wala also should be fined for talking over the phone. ये बहुत सही है. कार चलाते चलाते फोन में बात करो तो फाइन, साइकिल वाले को तो मजे है. क्या बात है. Oh, he received another call. Whoa, he's no busier than us. You know, in this heat, these cows are walking, I think they're not well. Something is coming out of the mouth. They really need to be in a place where they get a lot of shade and good water and good food. Their bones are being seen. Not good. See, very poor conditions of health. They don't belong in the city. They belong in the village where they have more cooling, good farms. Poor animals. I wish I could do something for them. Now the signal ahead of me, when the red goes off, but the green doesn't come out. You just assume it as your signal now, and you move. Look straight, it's red now, and nobody has a clue that it's not going to blink green.
Romantic, isn't it?
Can you see that? This is Infinity Mall signal. See?
Shut up and sit down.
No green light. That means it's green. Well, I'm hungry at this moment. I have to reach home. Just coming out of our air-conditioned office, and this is what the effect is. Well, this is no editing effect. This is just the cold AC fog which got collected inside the camera, and now the heat has taken over and the fog has evaporated due to heat. See, now it's so crystal clear. That's Lokhandwala back road. Another funny thing happened with this place. Well, this is the back road where I do my parachute running, if you have checked my motor vlogs. Now there is a car coming from my side of the lane, and he's actually giving me high beam lights, as it is doing me a favor coming from this lane. Look at this idiot. Some drivers really are idiots. Unnecessary rush which is not needed on an empty road, but he has to overtake everybody in some kind of a race season. What an idiot. I hate this kind of people.
Romantic, isn't it?
There is no compassion left in this city. Everybody's a racer here. And another one at this turning, I was about to hit this car. What an idiot, taking a reverse. Do you need to take a reverse to park? Some dumb people I keep bumping into. Yep, reached my gym, getting started with my work. If you guys like what I post, do like, share and subscribe my channel. There are best of the best, funny videos coming up. This is Ravi Seth signing out. Cheers guys, ride safe.